Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 388 different strategies with 122 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 287 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,046 indicators with 436 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says the new way to make money in trading in 2024 simple strategy. And so we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Of course, we'll see if it is a simple strategy and if it is able to make money. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the swing high, low, and higher low indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings of this. And under the inputs, you're going to change the swing high, low length 1 to 3. Then the swing high, low length 2 to 7. And then jump into the styles. And you're going to turn off all these selections here, except for the lower high and the higher low. And what I did was I went in and bumped up the line weight of these just a little bit to make these dots stand out just a tad bit more. And then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the ADX indicator. This is just the standard built-in average directional index. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Then what you're going to do is come up here to the line selection tools, and you're going to select the horizontal line right here. And then go down and click on screen just wherever, and then go to the settings right here and change the coordinates to 21.00 and click OK. And then everything should look as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a long trade, so we're looking for when price breaks up above the resistance area right here, this green dotted line. And once it breaks up above that resistance area, you're then going to look down to the ADX, and you want the ADX line to be above the 21 line that we set, like this here. And so once those line up, that'll be your signal to then enter into a long. You'll put your trade there, put your stop just below this kind of swing pivot type area right here. And you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see price dips for just a moment, then makes this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for when price drops below this support area right here. And you can see this red dotted line right here is the support area, and price breaks through it right here on this candle. We're then going to look down to the ADX, and we want the ADX line to be above the 21 line that we set. You can see right here that it is above that 21 line. It's going to be the signal to then enter into a short. Put your trade right there, put your stop just right above this pivot area right here, and you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Right there, let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And we make a nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade tests like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 11 winning trades and 39 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 22% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $15,600 for a total loss of $9,000 altogether. So definitely not a great strategy. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 38 trades altogether. We had 31 winning trades and 7 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $18,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for a total gain of $10,200. So definitely better results. And if you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate quite significantly up to the high 90% area. The total gain would have been closer to the $18,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out the 32nd and 33rd winning trade in a row. That's 33 winning trades in a row, a 100% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the 2 trades on screen now, one right after another. That is using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy, again, that I mentioned just a moment ago that we teach all the patrons. And we are closing in on the 2-month mark of 100% profitability. And so it is a really strong, profitable combination. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in the ability for it to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee if you join our Patreon, and the first month you are not able to be a profitable trader, we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord to take a look at the money back guarantee right here. Just go to the money back guarantee tab right here and you can read about that. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.